Welcome to another exciting episode of Flash Flood Fun.
Yep.
Who's our victim today?
I'm the off-roaders.
Looks like we got a bunch of guys on some all-terrain vehicles trespassing on our property. Huh. Boy, they're gonna learn their lesson today, aren't they?
And they're on my road, and I'm gonna make no small vehicles, no trespassing.
Yeah. Well, let's hope that they have their life preservers on. Let's go check them out. So it looks like we have 4 rednecks that don't know how to read our posted signs.
Yeah.
I think they're up here trying to jack a few of our moose. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that's going to happen because it's time to unleash
Yep.
a flash flood on these fools. All right, buddy, you're on. You got enough strength to get this thing going?
I don't know.
Here we go. Lift it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Say goodnight, Irene. What's going on?
There's a little waterfall right here.
A little waterfall. This thing hasn't stopped in about a quarter of a mile, buddy.
And it's still going from up there.
We got a serious flood going on here, folks.
I know, my roads are not getting washed out.
What happened to those guys on those all-terrain vehicles? I didn't even see. We better go see the damage.
No.
Hopefully our homeowner's insurance policy will cover it. I don't know, buddy. It looks like they learned their lesson. I don't see any casualties. Well, I think I spoke too soon, Emmylou.
Yeah, but where is the dog?
The dog? I don't know what happened to the dog. He was the only one I liked in the whole bunch. I don't know. He's a Labrador. He's probably swimming downstream somewhere.
I'm gonna go look for him.
So it looks like everybody pretty much survived this flood, no problem, until my daughter gets involved. Hey, Emmylou, be nice to the poor guy. He didn't even jack an elk yet. Ah, Emmylou, you gotta learn to be gentle with these trespassers. You know, a simple get off my property would be sufficient. How you doing, buddy? I think he might have a few cracked ribs, Blake. Oh my goodness! Now he's got a cracked head and skull and you name it.
This guy's giving a thumbs up.
Yeah, well, he's gonna get the heads up now and down. Ow! Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of Flash Flood Fun. Do not trespass on Redneck Property Edition. Till next time.
Don't get wet.
And guess what, buddy?
What?
Those off-roading rednecks are back. I guess they weren't happy last time when we washed them right off our property. We better check it out and see who's coming up the hill.
Yeah.
Boy, these rednecks look like they mean business, but guess what?
What?
They don't realize that we got a bunch of little miniature rednecks up here, right?
Yeah.
These people don't want to mess with us country bumpkins because guess what? It's time to unleash
Yep.
a flash flood like no one's ever seen. No four-wheel drive's gonna get you out of this jam, bud.
Oh, yeah.
All right, partner. Let her go. Takes a man with muscle to get this done. Oh, boy. Say sayonara.
Oh, we got it.
Going right where the first one went, buddy. That's how floods work.
And you wrecked my road.
Yeah, well, your road's wrecked my driveway, so looks like we're even. I don't know. Again, these rednecks are rebellious and they're very resistant because it doesn't look like we did much damage to them again, buddy. What's that, Emma? You checking out the damage? Uh-oh, looks like your brother's bringing in his all-terrain vehicle. These rednecks aren't the only ones who know how to ride off-road. Oh, as you can see, Cleo, she got injured in a little ATV accident. Yeah. Hey, Cleo, how's it feel? Yeah, she's got a couple little eye issues. She's infected. Had nothing to do with an off-road accident, but just trying to relate it. So, hey, let's check out the damage over here, buddy. Let's see what we got. It looks like everybody's pretty much intact. Ooh, this poor guy. He is hurting, I'd say. Oh, Emma, would you please have some mercy? At least introduce yourself first.
I'm going to hurt him all better than you do.
Uh-oh, I think Blake's going to show them all what happens when you trespass on our turf. Oh, God! How'd that feel, gentlemen? Next time, read the sign. Yeah, keep out.
And you know what's happening again.
Oh, goodness gracious. No mercy. No mercy.
And if that didn't cut the case, I'm giving a big time.
What's that?
Because you, Mr. Truck, are going up in the air.
Oh my, you know, you just got demonetized. That's a violent act. Come on, kid, this is supposed to be a family-friendly television show. That just looks uncomfortable, buddy. Oh, goodness.
And after that, freeze line.
Hey, come on. Have a little mercy. How about calling the rescue squad for these off-roading rednecks?
Trespassing.
Yeah, well, hey, doesn't mean we're going to leave them for dead. Or maybe it does. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Flash Flood Fun. Off-roading Rednecks 2, the Revenge Edition. Until next time.
Don't get wet.
Or lost on our land. Ouch.